笑起来真好看。
想去远方的山川，想去海边看海鸥。
Hello and welcome to Chinese Chinese. Today we are going to learn about colors. So now let's see how to say colors in Chinese. Please read after me. 颜色，颜色，颜色，颜色. Very good. 颜色 means colors. So today this is the part 3. So this is the part 3 of colors. Colors. 颜色 colors. Before we begin with our colors, let's see how to say ball in Chinese. Please read after me. 球，球，球，球. Very good. 球 means ball. So if you see a ball in Chinese is 球，球，球, ball. Okay, and let's move on to the next one. We also have another one here. Ta-da! Okay, and we also have this to be rabbit. So now let's see how to say rabbit in Chinese. Please read after me. 小兔，小兔，小兔，小兔，小兔. Very good. 小兔 means rabbit. So if you hear 小兔, it means rabbit. 小兔, rabbit. 小兔. Okay, let's move on to the last one. The last one that we have here is okay, so now let's see how to say dog in Chinese. This is a dog. So now let's see how to say dog in Chinese. Please read after me. 小狗，小狗，小狗，小狗. Very good. 小狗 means dog. 小狗, dog. Now let's see how to say this character in Chinese. Please read after me. The. Great. The is a particle, and we are going to use this the between the color and the object or thing. So please try to remember this character, how to say in Chinese. The. Great. Now let's see how to say color white in Chinese. Let's see how to say white in Chinese. Please read after me. 白色，白色，白色，白色，白色. Okay, 白色 means white. So if you hear 白色, 白色, it means white. Color white in Chinese is 白色, 白色, white. 白色, white. Okay, let's move on to the next color. The next color that we have here is okay, so now let's see how to say gray in Chinese. Let's see the color of the rabbit. It's gray. So now let's see how to say gray in Chinese. Please read after me. 灰色，灰色，灰色，灰色，灰色. Great. 灰色 means gray. So if you hear 灰色，灰色, it means gray. 灰色 means gray. 灰色, gray. 灰色, gray. Okay, let's move on to the last color. The last color that we have here is this. Okay, so it's not that clear. Okay, so now let's see how to say brown in Chinese. Let's see how to say brown in Chinese. Okay, please read after me. 棕色棕色棕色棕色棕色 Okay, 棕色 means brown. So if you hear 棕色 it means brown. Brown means 棕色 brown. Now let's see how to say a white ball in Chinese. A white ball in Chinese. So let's go. 白色 Okay, 白色 means white. So 白色的球 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 Okay, we learned 球 to be ball. So 白色的球 means a white ball. 白色的球 a white ball. So if you hear 白色的球 it means a white ball. A white ball in Chinese is 白色的球白色的球 Let's also look at how to say a gray rabbit in Chinese. The color of the rabbit is gray. So now let's see how to say a gray rabbit in Chinese. Please read after me. Now we have learned 灰色 to be gray. 灰色 gray. And we also learned rabbit to be 小兔 Okay, so now let's see how to say a gray rabbit in Chinese. Let's go. 灰色的小兔 One more time. 灰色的小兔灰色的小兔灰色的小兔灰色的小兔 means a gray rabbit. Let's also look at how to say a brown dog in Chinese. A brown dog in Chinese. Okay, so now let's go. It's not that clear, so let's go. 棕色棕色 means brown. 小狗 means dog, and this is the. Okay, so now let's go. 棕色的小狗棕色的小狗棕色的小狗 means a brown dog. A brown dog in Chinese is 棕色的小狗棕色的小狗 Okay guys, thank you very much for watching, and please leave your comment below whatever you have learned today. Can you tell us some of the words or some of the sentences that you have learned? Please leave your comment down there, and see you in my next video. 再见